Starting with AutoGen, this open-source framework from Microsoft focuses on multi-agent workflows where different AI agents collaborate to complete tasks. It's highly customizable, letting developers script interactions between agents with clear roles. For example, one could act as a researcher while another writes and edits. AutoGen integrates smoothly with large language models like GPT, making it popular for automation, research pipelines, and prototyping complex AI-driven systems. Its main strength lies in developer control, but this also means it requires more setup and coding knowledge. CrewAI, in contrast, emphasizes collaborative AI, crews, to handle multi-step, real-world workflows. It's designed to feel more intuitive and less code-heavy, so you can assign roles and goals to multiple agents without deeply technical configuration. CrewAI is gaining traction among startups and small teams who want to orchestrate different AI agents for sales outreach, content creation, and data analysis without needing to manually script every exchange. The platform also encourages mixing human oversight with AI execution to maintain quality control. LangGraph takes a slightly different angle. Built on the LangChain ecosystem, it focuses on representing AI workflows as graphs. This visual, node-based approach makes it easier to design and debug complex conversational or reasoning paths. LangGraph is especially appealing for developers building multi-step applications, as you can map out logic, connect to APIs, and manage state without losing track of how data flows between steps. Since it leverages LangChain tools, it integrates naturally with a variety of LLMs and vector databases. When comparing the three, AutoGen is best for deep customization and sophisticated multi-agent logic, but it assumes you're comfortable coding and configuring systems yourself. CrewAI trades some of that complexity for accessibility, letting teams spin up functional AI crews faster, especially in business contexts. LangGraph sits in between. It's still developer-friendly, but its visual structure makes it easier to maintain and iterate on complex workflows than raw code alone. In practice, the choice often depends on your balance of technical skill and project complexity. If you want fine-grained control over every agent's behavior, AutoGen gives you the keys. If you want to quickly deploy collaborative AI with minimal coding, CrewAI is appealing. And if you prefer a visual map of your AI logic while still keeping the flexibility of LangChain tools, LangGraph is a strong candidate. Each platform pushes the idea of AI agents beyond simple prompts, but they differ in how much control, ease of use, and visualization they offer.